off of I-15 right here. Just north of Nephi. That ain't good right there in all that dry grass and everything.
Down there too.
There's another one right down here. Just north of Mona, actually. There's something burning right down here.
All that's up in flames.
That stuff's gonna burn quick and fast. It's all dry and it's got a good wind blowing it. Let's see what's right down through here.
Small, weirdly. Barely started.
This kind of looks like somebody's actually set it on fire or whatnot. Intentionally set them on fire and then took off, because you got a small fire right there that's smoking. It's not really doing anything.
All the way down.
Wow.